In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create typography motion graphics animation in Canva. This is a straightforward and creative process that's perfect for sprucing up your projects with a touch of animated flair. We're diving right into starting a new design, adding dynamic text, and wrapping it up with some vibrant visuals. And don't worry, I'll guide you through every step, so you'll be crafting eye-catching animations in no time. First things first, open Canva. If you don't have an account, it's quick and easy to sign up. Once you're in, create a new design. You can choose any custom dimensions that suit your project, but if you're experimenting, the standard presentation size is a great starting point. It offers ample space to showcase your creativity. Now, let's bring in some text. Over on the left toolbar, click on Text and select Add a Heading. This immediately places a text box onto your design, which you can drag and position wherever you like on the canvas. Inside this text box, type out your message or slogan. Keep your message clear and concise. This will make the animation more impactful. With your text ready, click on the text box and find the Animate button in the top toolbar. Clicking on Animate opens up a variety of animation styles tailor-made for text. Before you choose one, here's a quick tip. Think about the mood you want to convey. A bouncy animation might suggest excitement, while a slower fade could feel more sophisticated. To add more flair, break your text into multiple lines or words. This means you can have each word or line pop onto the screen individually for a greater effect. Just hit Enter to separate your words or phrases as you see fit. Once divided, you can apply different animations to each line or word. This is your chance to mix and match animations for a dynamic look that keeps viewers riveted. Now that your text is all animated beautifully, it's time to spruce up the background and add some visual elements. You can select a plain color, use one of Canva's numerous templates, or get creative with images and patterns. Feel free to experiment with different elements like shapes or icons to complement your animated text. It's all about enhancing the overall feel of your graphic. Finally, when you're satisfied with your design, it's time to share it with the world. Click the Share button in the top corner, and then select Download. Make sure to download your creation as an MP4 file to retain the animation. And there you have it, a stunning typography motion graphics animation made in just a few simple steps. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't hesitate to experiment with different designs and animations until you find the perfect match for your project. Thanks for watching, and happy designing.